friends, welcome back to the channel Mr. and Mrs Pai. Today we have received a new product which is wireless mic from GRENARO. We have ordered GRENARO S13 PRO. Let us unbox and see what all the package contains. This is the box, and like see a warranty card comes from GRENARO. You can see the casing, just the microphone and the receiver which is there in the casing. Just the microphone, two microphones, dual channel, and one receiver. The receiver is of good quality and also has a Type-C port to provide charging to the mobile. This when it is connected. Let's keep it aside. Apart from that, let's see what is there. There's an instruction manual which comes along. We have a small box within it. Contains, I think, cables and stuff. Let's open it up and see what all things are there. This contains two Type-C to 3.5 mm for monitoring of audio. Then it has an iPhone Thunderbolt connector, iPhone connector from Type-C to. Then it has a charging cable, USB to double Type-C to charge the microphone. Let's remove the microphone and see. The first time when you take it out, you need to remove this cover, which is underneath. Remove the cover underneath so that it can get charging. This is a charging case as well. So we have two microphones, one receiver as I said already, and this has a Type-C port at the bottom for charging the case. It looks sturdy only, it looks like magnetic. It's lightweight and there's a noise cancellation, one level noise cancellation I believe, and it has a Type-C port for charging, and the clip seems sturdy. And the mic itself, build quality looks sturdy. So we'll do a range test and the audio test in the part 2. Until then, see you. Bye. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel for future videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.